Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Take out your social studies copy. Be ready for your class. Have you done the previous work? All the
Yes.
key points that were done in the previous class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Good.
What we do today? Ma'am, can I close my camera for 2 minutes?
Yes.
Good morning,
beta,
ma'am.
close it. Good morning. Good morning, children.
I have star.
All of you take out your social studies copies. I'm going to share screen with you. Ankush Gautam, are you doing your work? The written work that I gave you in the class to do, are you doing it? Yes, Ankush, yes or no?
Ma'am, what? Because ma'am, I class attend. Wait a minute.
What happened?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning to all of you. Shelly Gupta, beta, are you doing your work? Do you complete your work, all of you? Aman? I'll make a note of all you students that who is completing the work and who is not doing. I want written work completed in your copies, all the written work that has been done so far. Whatever I do in the class on daily basis, the work has to be complete. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you take out your copies. Ankush Gautam, you told me to wait for a minute. Yes, now tell what you were saying. Anything to say, beta? Say it. I asked you, do you complete your work? Or your work is going pending?
Mama, what is that?
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now today you will post everything that you have done so far. I want to see all your work. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Now children, how many key points you have done? You have done 5 key points? Yes? How many key points have you done?
Ma'am, 5.
5
Ma'am,
key points.
5.
Okay, I'll share the rest of the key points now. Just give me a minute. Let me send it.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, you will share the rest of the key points.
I will share some more key points. The key points are not over, beta. It is such a long chapter. Now see. One, two, three. Yes. Now look at the screen, everybody. This is from point number 6. Okay. Can you see all of you?
No, ma'am. It is loading. No,
The center.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, children, listen to the first point, please. The word is hidden under the page. The central part of the lithosphere is the core. Is that fine? The word that is hidden is. I-S is.
These are also key points.
Yes, beta, these are the key points in continuation to the previous one.
Ma'am, please send previous one on WhatsApp.
In the class group,
Yes, ma'am.
I'll send it. Wait.
No, I have done. Points 1 to 5.
Yes, Vedanshu. Now see, beta, the key points are from 6 to 10. Can you see? 6 to 10.
Ma'am, what is hidden after lithosphere in the first line?
The 9th sentence.
Ma'am, in the 6th sentence, after
Hmm.
lithosphere, what is written?
Is. I-S is beta.
Ma'am, I have done.
Akshaj, you have done till 10. Point number 10.
Yes, ma'am, but not the beautifying.
Beta, so quick, huh? It's just been 5 minutes. I have shared the screen.
Ma'am, I am on the last one. Ma'am, I am on the second last.
My God, what are you all doing?
I am
So
on
quick.
the 8th one.
Have you?
The beautifying.
Are you children in a hurry to go out and play in your house?
Ma'am, please
No,
show me
ma'am.
7, ma'am.
Your time to learn. That is why you are quickly doing your work.
No, ma'am, I am on the 7th one. 7th one.
Yes, see.
Ma'am, please scroll up.
Some of you are so quick. My God.
Ma'am, please show me 7.
Now keep sitting. Till that point, you can just do the beautification and you can learn it. It will be very easy for you to do exercises and question answers then.
Ma'am, can you scroll down? I want to see that one. Ma'am, what is written in the 9th first word? 9th science first word?
Hydrosphere. Hydrosphere consists of all the water bodies.
Ma'am, what is written after solid?
What, beta?
Ma'am, what is written after solid?
Solid. Where, in which sentence?
Ma'am, in 11th one. Solid.
11th. Okay. Solid, liquid and gas.
Ma'am, please show me 7. Ma'am, what is written the first word of 9th? Ma'am, done. Ma'am, what is written?
The first word of 9th is hydrosphere. Hydrosphere.
Ma'am, what is written in the 11th one after nature?
See, water exists in 3 states. Now, what 3 states water is found in? Tell me. You have learnt in science.
Ma'am, solid,
Yes.
liquid, and gas. Ma'am, solid, liquid, and ice. Okay.
And ice? Solid, liquid and ice?
No, ma'am, gas.
Yes. So you should not ask me for the screen. Hai na? You can answer it yourself only.
Ma'am, can you scroll up a little?
What, beta?
Can you scroll up a little?
See, it's fine.
Ma'am, I say up. Ma'am, I want to see the 11th one. I want to see the 11th one. Please scroll down. Ma'am, I also. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, after writing all the 3 points of solid, liquid, and gas, the 11th point is finished, or is
No.
there anything to write?
There are many more.
I'm done. Ma'am, I also.
Because we have only reached hydrosphere beta till here. After hydrosphere, we have atmosphere, then we have biosphere, then we have water cycle. We have so much in this chapter.
Yes, ma'am. That is beautifying also.
Very good, Akshay. Now, after 5 minutes, children, I will change the screen.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, done the beautifying
Manya, on
also.
which sentence are you?
Doing the beautification.
You are on beautification. Very good. Taranveer, what about you, beta? Taranveer is there in class?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, on which sentence are you?
Ma'am, ninth question.
Ninth. Gauri, what about you?
Ma'am, I am on 11th.
11th. Aman,
Ma'am, I am also 11.
Arsalan, Arsalan is not there in the class. Huh? Only his name is there. Praveer Singh. Praveer is also not there. Alak Pratap Singh. Alark is also not there. So I'm removing all three students. All these three students will be removed. Ansh Patel, Riddhi Agarwal, what about you?
Ma'am, I done. Ma'am, I done all. No,
Ansh,
ma'am, sorry, 9.
okay, Ansh is at least replying. Ansh, hurry up and finish your work. Riddhi Agarwal is not replying. She is not there in the class.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have done the beautification also. Ma'am, I am the first to done and beautification.
Okay, now time for the next screen. I'm
Ma'am, I
changing
done.
the screen.
Ma'am, I am on beautification.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Gauri is
please
on
wait
beautification.
for a minute.
Ankush, on which sentence are you?
Ma'am, I am on 9.
Ninth. No, beta, you need a long time. Now you can see on WhatsApp group. On the class WhatsApp group, I have sent the work. Let me change the screen for so many students who have done. I can't keep them waiting for so long for you. Okay, the next screen is here.
Ma'am, please zoom. Yes, ma'am, please zoom. Ma'am, in 12th one, there is water is found or water found.
Water found under the ground is known as groundwater. It's written
Okay.
correct.
Ma'am, what is written after 12th one for?
For example, EG, you know, example abbreviation is EG. The short form is EG of example.
Yes, ma'am, and first class, ma'am, tell. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the last word of 12th one?
What is the last word? It's aquifers. AQUIFERS. We have written this word in difficult words also.
Ma'am, I have done till 12
Ma'am,
to 16.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very nice. Very quick.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Ma'am, what is written in the last of 14th one?
In the 14th one, water cycle is the process through which water changes its form in nature.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, scroll
Ma'am,
down.
please scroll down.
Ma'am, I am on the 18th one. Ma'am, please scroll up. Ma'am,
Ma'am.
please scroll.
Ma'am, just a second. I am on the last line of it.
Okay, Akshat, now you need to wait, beta. Children have not done this. Just wait.
Ma'am, just the last line of 18.
Just the last line of 18th. Helium, argon, and carbon dioxide.
Okay, ma'am.
But don't be happy because there are more key points after the 18th one.
Ma'am, I know.
But I am not going to share them today. I will not share more key points today. Only till 18 you have to do.
Ma'am, please scroll down. Let me take a screenshot.
Okay, take the screenshot, beta.
Ma'am, now you can scroll up.
I'm done.
Done. Very good. Very nice.
Ma'am, please wait. I am also taking.
Manya, on which sentence are you?
Ma'am, please scroll down a little. Only a little.
A little, huh?
Ma'am, now.
Now it's fine. Okay, I hope all of you have done point number 12 and 13.
Yes,
Nobody
ma'am.
13 point. Okay, now the screen is fine here.
Ma'am, till
Ma'am,
when I can certify?
find my work. Ma'am, can you show 12th and 13th one for a second?
Ma'am, done the beauty.
Ma'am, please scroll down. Ma'am, I want to underline. So can you scroll up to 12th and 13th?
Beta, in the 12th sentence, wells and aquifers is underlined. And in the 13th sentence, fog or clouds is underlined.
Yeah.
Ma'am, my SST copy is going to fill.
Now this is the
No,
second
my one-
copy that is going to finish, or it is the first one?
Ma'am, second.
Oh my God, we have done so much written work till now.
Ma'am, my one copy is already filled. I'm using another notebook.
Am I on?
Ma'am, I also.
Good, good, good.
Ma'am, I also.
And what about other subjects? So that means you are doing most of the work, most of the
Ma'am.
written work in social studies.
Yes,
No,
that-
maths also, I'm sure. How many copies
No,
you have
ma'am, in
finished?
the maths.
No, ma'am, math
Ma'am,
is
only
more
one.
difficult.
Ma'am, only one. That is starting. That is, we have started writing. अभी तक चल रहे हैं.
Oh,
Science is second copy.
all right. So that means your social studies teacher only makes you do so much written work, huh?
Yes. Ma'am, science of our left. Ma'am, science copy is also my second copy. Ma'am.
Your social studies teacher tortures you the most. Does that mean so?
Oh, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
She makes you tired.
No, ma'am,
Yeah.
I am not at all tired.
No, you're not tired.
Oh, ma'am, I am also not tired.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Dundee beautifying also.
Ma'am, I have also done the beautifying.
Okay, very good, very nice. How much time is left for the class to get over? It's 12 minutes. How many students are still doing?
11 minutes. Ma'am, 11 minutes.
Yes,
Ma'am, I am
11.
on the beautification. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am on 18th one.
Ma'am, who has done
Ma'am, beautification.
what they do now?
Beta, just wait. Let everybody finish. I think in 5 minutes, everybody will finish. Then we will just do revision. For the last 5 minutes, we are going to revise this chapter. There is one last 19th point also.
Ma'am, we can do that last point today.
Yes, we will do the last point.
Ma'am, okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
So,
I
ma'am,
have to see the underline where it is. Ma'am, please scroll up with in
Scroll
for
up.
a minute.
See,
Yes, ma'am, I have to see
I have
the line.
scrolled up.
Ma'am, please scroll down. Ma'am, please down. Ma'am, done the beautifying.
Ma'am, there's 3 minutes left to overtake. Ma'am, there's 3 minutes left for 5 minutes.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, it is 8 minutes left. Ma'am, those who have done, they can send.
No, beta, don't send. I will just share the last 2 points, 19th and 20th point in the last 5 minutes. Till then, let everybody do these 18 points.
Ma'am, 2 minutes left for the 5 minutes.
Ma'am, 7 minutes left.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, only 1 minute left for 5 minutes complete.
Ma'am, please reach 1920.
Ma'am, the 5 minutes has been completed.
Everyone has done this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, time for your last screen and the last 2 points. Here it is.
Ma'am, where it is?
Here. It's here.
मैंने वाली बता मैं तेरी करूँ मैम ने बुद्धि भी भेजी है हमें इसमें क्या हुआ
Mute yourself.
मैम रिटर्न
Yes, ma'am.
Done.
मैम आई एम certifying
Ma'am, I done.
Ma'am, I am on the 19th one, but I am No, ma'am, I am on the 20th.
I'm done. I'm done with beautifying.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I am on beautification.
Ma'am, I have also done. Ma'am, I have done the beautification also.
Done.
Ma'am,
Very nice, very good. Those who have done, very nice. Now be quiet.
ma'am, 3 minutes left for the 12 p.m. 12 o'clock.
Yes?
Ma'am, 3 minutes left
2
for
minutes
12.
are left. Only 2 minutes are left. Let everybody do. Akshaj, you have done. Aradhya has done. Not everyone has done.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I
There
have
are
also
children who
done.
are still doing.
Ma'am, please give me the
Ma'am, now we can send the work.
Yes, now you can send all these points. Everybody will send. Click a picture and send your work.
Ma'am, I have also sent.
You have sent. Very good.
Ma'am, it is 12 o'clock.
Okay, but how many students are still doing the work? Is there anybody in the class who is still writing?
No, ma'am.
I will send the work on D group. You can do the work from there, beta. I have also sent it on your class group.
Ma'am,
If
less
it-
than 1 minute is left now.
Yes, if anybody is left to do the work, please do it from D group or your class group. But you have to complete your work in any case. Okay, bye to all of
Bye,
you.
ma'am.
Time for your next
Bye,
class,
ma'am.
beta. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, this
Bye,
is the last
ma'am.
one.
Yes, now the period is the last period.